built all those little pieces?
Yeah, I built this.
Okay, and then what do you do?
Oh my god! And then you put that over here somewhere? Wait, you put that over? Wait, what?
There's like a launcher? Where is the launcher?
The launcher is right on here, and it's saying need to cover the launcher.
Okay.
With this. Can you figure that out? Because I can't. Wait.
Okay, so you put that on.
Yeah, but it's still not going to
All right,
work.
let's figure it out. And then what?
You put that there, it told me.
Hold on. So you did that, right?
Yeah, and then I flipped.
Okay, flip. Let's see.
I did that.
What? What'd you do?
And then I did this, and then this is the part where I'm on.
Let me see. Which out?
I already did this.
But I don't know if it's right. So let me see your thing. Put it next to it.
Oh, and we need a green piece.
Let me see. No, that's right. That's all right. Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't. Benjamin, I can't see. I can't. Yes, put the green piece. Correct. There you go.
I'm missing some stuff.
There you go. Okay. Now let's see. Put it down. Let's see.
Oh,
That's
why.
Let's see.
Now let's see if it launches.
Okay, put it down. Let's see. Well, you're not done yet. You have to do the. But oh, that's what you do.
Wait, but
Do that again. Stop. That's really what you do?
Yeah.
How do you know that?
Cause look.
Because look what?
Cause look here. Look, the thing is launching that off.
Okie dokie.
Kaboom!
Whoa, that's pretty cute. I like that. Okay, go back on the floor. Come on.
Now it's rebuild.
Let's finish.
Let's finish.
Because I like that one. This is actually a nice one. Okay.
Yeah, so we did this already. Now we're good.
Okay, go ahead.
Now we're good. There we go. Now we're in business.
Okay.
Okay, so we were on this page, and then we gotta get one of those. Then one of those white things. Then we put those. That, are you recording this?
Huh?
Are you recording this?
No.
Oh. just 7, and I'm doing it. Wow. Wow. That's how smart I am. Wow. You put that there, and then why are you pointing it to it? Are you recording?
I was trying to trick you.
I just want to know, that's all. I'm not mad at you.
Okay.
Barely see. I need 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This is so cute. This little fox thing.
Yeah, and the wolf.
Ah, he's got the bulging eyes.
No, he
Oh.
doesn't.
Let me see. Oh, that's a wolf?
Yeah, it's a wolf. I think that's a dog or a wolf.
Oh, he's cute. I think it's like a dog. I don't know. I like him.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
That's cute.
Oh my god. That is so cool.
What? Oh, it's like a skeleton
1,
guy.
2.
What is this? Is that a bow and arrow in
Yeah.
his? Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4,
He's cute.
5,
Hello.
6.
Hello. Hello. I don't know. When Mommy
1, 2,
plays with
3,
the toys, it's more like
4.
I'm playing with a doll. Hello. Hi.
So there's 6 of these, but look, Mom.
Yeah. Yeah.
We need 2 of these.
Is that what he does with the sword? Or he goes, tarang. I'm going to make like a magic.
No,
So what is the sword for?
so he kills the,
Oh,
The
the
thing.
skeleton?
yeah,
Okie dokie.
because he tries to kill him.
Oh.
In Minecraft?
In Minecraft? Okay.
Yeah. And then there's bows, and the bows never go off. Just eventually off Minecraft, like off the guys when the guy gets you. You have a couple of hearts, not 1 heart like in real life.
I see. Like a 1 heart in real life, you only get 1. You
Yeah.
get like more hearts
Yeah, in Minecraft.
in Minecraft. Oh.
And like when the guys
Interesting.
and when the monsters hit you, like the hearts come out, like you see the hearts.
What? Are they like heart shaped? Like a heart?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's cute. I like that. Okay. Oh.
So look at this. This is so cute. So you have the flower. I know. So you have this, and then you're supposed to put these right over here, I believe. Wait, what? So you put that right there. That makes sense.
You're almost done. You have all those pieces. Like you only have a few pieces left.
Yeah.
So you're basically done.
Yeah.
They just want you to make those little things. Those they're like antennas.
Mommy,
What?
love you.
Love you too.
Do you know I just realized that is weird? Oh, that's why. So it doesn't get Oh my. I did not realize. I had to take it. Oh, yeah. Because these go here first. Connecting them.
Okay.
And then you put these on. There we go. Okay, and then we're going to do the other one. I need 3 of these. This What? Okay.
And then what happens when you do all that? You put it
And
on.
then you put them right
I
over
see.
here.
Uh-huh. Yep.
And then you put this one right here. Okay, the first one done.
Okay, then put it on. Yay. Oh my gosh, it's really starting to come together. I want to do the little launcher thing again. That was so cute. Because I'm going to log off because it's too long.
Boom!
That is so cute. I love it. Wait, do it again. Can you put it on the floor so we could see?
Yeah.
Put it on the floor. That is so... Okay, do it again. One more time. I love that. Oh, Ben, that is so cool.
Yeah.
I love that. I really do.
And there's
It's very satisfying.
there's a TNT. Do you know what TNT is?
No.
It's a bomb.
Okay.
And like you could find the bombs somewhere in
Okay.
Minecraft. I don't know where they get them from on YouTube, but
Right.
they play the game and then they like you.
So where does that
Okay.
go?
Okay, why did they make that available?
What do you
So
mean?
they put the skeleton in the fire. Wait.
But wait a second. The bomb goes where you flip. Oh, no, it doesn't go where you flip off.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought it did. All right, I really like that. And it's
Yeah.
it's
this
very
is-
nice once it's all done.
Yes.
So you're almost done.
Yeah.
Looks good, Ben.
And yeah.
I love
We'll
it.
do a part 2, a part 3.
We could do a part 2, but I mean, you're basically done.
No, but there's a couple more. Look, there's a lot more stuff. Oh,
It's just those little pieces right there.
and look, the TNT too.
Okay, so put that on.
And
Those
and this
two.
and this
Okay, so let's go.
and
I'll wait. We could wait.
yeah, because it's only a little bit.
Okay, go ahead.
So we need
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we still have to do it. Just realized that. Oh. Okay, now we just put these over here. And we're almost done, 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 done.
We're still watching.
I know. Just saying. I'm just gonna have the camera. Hi.
Mm-hmm.
I just want to.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, here we go. Now we put this one right over here. Then okay, we're almost done, guys. Well, I'm just saying hi because like I'm just saying hi. One more lunch. I just love it too much.
It is. It came out really nice. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Again. Yay. I love that. I love that. I want to try.
You could try.
Can I try?
Yeah. So you just press this little thing right here and
Okay.
it launches.
I love that.
And then you put it back.
It's literally like a button.
Yeah.
Like you don't even have to like push. Like I was thinking you had to like push, but it's literally just like a button. No, you don't even have to do that. It's just like a, no. Yeah, it's just like a button, Ben. You just push down on it. I love that.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Yeah.
I love it too much.
Yeah, it's great.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh. SpaghettiOs.
Oh, Paschetti.
Paschetti. Uh-oh, Paschetti. Oh, mommy's. project. Okay, good.
Oh yeah, this goes like this.
A little closer, right? There you
Yeah.
go.
Let's get it.
Okay.
That was a goal.
Good, good, good. Okay, next. Keep going.
Now we need
The 2 orange pieces.
we need 2 of them. Do we need? Yeah, we need 2 of those.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And then we put those right next to over here.
Okay.
What are these for? I wonder.
I don't know. Flip. Let's see.
What are those for? Yeah, they're just little pod things.
Okay. Okay, next.
And then
Flip the page.
Okay. We only got a couple more pages to go.
Okay.
We're done.
Okay.
Wait, we need one of those. Oh. Then we just put. Oh, these what they were for. I didn't realize.
Oh, they're like big platforms on the bottom to make it more sturdy, like?
I don't know.
Yeah. To
Yeah.
make it more like substantial, like so it doesn't fall apart, like a bigger.
Oh, jeez.
What?
The plant.
Oh.
Yep, it's still there. Plants are still there. On this page, but you don't build the plants on this page. They just put it there.
Okay.
And then, ooh, you put the campfire.
Oh, that's the best part.
Yeah, and as you can see, this one's bigger, and then I'm gonna put this bigger as the same way. Daddy told me it has to look just like the picture
Oh. Cool.
when I build Legos. And look, it's almost done.
I love that.
It looks so cool.
Very cool. Okay, flip. Let's see what's next because there's just a few more pieces. Let's go. Yep. The birds are.
Oh yeah.
They're mimicking you. When you get excited, they get excited.
Yeah.
Okay, so now that, and then...
Oh, and then we need 2 TNTs? Why do we need... Oh, probably because there's 2 TNTs on each side.
Oh, that's why it's so like... Okay, got it.
Oh, yeah.
It's bigger than just that little piece. It's like 2 of them. I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
We need 1 of those. Then we...
It's 2 of those.
First, part 1, part 2, part 3.
Okay.
So part 1, you need that, and then you need this. Then you connect that to this. Part 2, we're gonna put the TNT blocks right here
Okay.
on each side. See them?
Okay.
TNT. Then you put this. This is what a TNT looks like in Minecraft, but it doesn't have the bumps.
Okay.
TNT. And then you put that right on top of one, right, not right on top of the launcher, right under the launcher, right here, as you can see. And then you flip. Hey, it's done.
That's it? What about those pieces, though? It's like left
Oh yeah, those are just extras.
I know, they always leave. There's always, like,
Extras.
little, like, things, like, little
Yeah.
leftover.
I have a good idea, Mommy.
But Benjamin, that came out great. Oh, wait,
Yeah.
but now you could put the, wait, flip the page one more time. Flip, because I bet you're supposed to put, oh, that's it. Okay, like,
Oh
are you
my
supposed to
God.
put, like, the dog
You
on
could
the,
get every single set.
and make, like, the whole city?
Yeah, but we got, which one did we get? It's not in this city.
It's not in the city?
No.
Can you put the dog, like, with the wolf or whatever, on the project?
Oh yeah, let's see. So
Like where
the
they say-
dog goes over here. Oh, I have the perfect setup.
Okay, go ahead.
Take everything to my room.
Oh, wait, no, but then I want to finish doing that here so we could just see
Okay.
what you're
So
going to
the
do.
wolf, let's follow the picture. That's
Okay,
what
go
I was
ahead.
gonna do.
Okay.
So the wolf goes over here, facing towards me.
Okay.
Then they're fighting over here.
Okay.
Right in between here. way far back.
Okay.
And then he is facing towards this way.
Okay. Can't you just stick his feet on there so he's right? Like, can't you just do that? No, like stick his feet, like, because he's got the things on the bottom of right. Like stick him. Right. Exactly. Like just stick his feet so he sticks.
Yeah, and then they're fighting.
Okay. Because that's what they do in Minecraft, right?
Yeah. I just need to take this part.
All right. You want to go bring it to your room? Say bye.
Bye, guys.